Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a title on every page in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add a title on every page. Go to the Insert menu. Select the header and footer option. Now I am click inside the header dialog box and write our title. We can see we write our title on the header dialog box. Then select the text and go back the home menu. Increase the size of the title. Then click inside the sheet and go to the view menu. Select the normal option. Then we go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see we add a title on every page in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.